Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a cigarette lighter in a Toyota Camry. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a screwdriver, and your new lighter assembly. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Taking a moment to review the entire process will help ensure a smooth and efficient replacement. Now, let's access the lighter unit. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry off the surrounding trim panels. Work slowly to avoid damaging any plastic clips or surfaces. Once the trim is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to these pieces. Finally, identify the screws or clips that hold the actual cigarette lighter assembly in its housing. With the old lighter exposed, it's time for removal. Unscrew or unclip the old cigarette lighter assembly from its mounting bracket. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the back of the old unit. Now, take your new lighter assembly, connect the wiring harness to it, and secure the new unit firmly into its designated spot. To finish up, carefully reattach all the trim panels, making sure they snap securely back into their original positions. Double-check that everything is snug and aligned. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Finally, test your new cigarette lighter to ensure it functions correctly. And hey, if you're looking for new ways to enjoy your favorite books on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.